Hey guys, thank you for clicking that link. My name is Ross Crawford. I'm the owner and operator of movehouse2cleanhouse.com. And if you're looking at this video together, either I or one of my staff members had given you a link to give you more information about what we're doing as a company. We're actually looking to network with you guys to give the best possible outcome for our clients. Movehouse2cleanhouse.com is a household service company. Okay, we actually offer services as far as moving help, home improvement, and household services all together, as when we do all of these services under one roof. And if you're a person that's in the real estate business, we're looking to network with you as far as giving you leads from people that contact us using our services. We get a ton of people contacting us who contact us to use our services and asking about real estate, whether that's renting a property or buying a property. We get a lot of people contacting us for that, and for a lot of years I never really catered to that because I never had a connection to helping our clients in those categories. So 2020, I decided to do something different. I decided to implement helping these people as a free service, so we don't get paid for actually pretty much referring our clients to people like yourself that can help them out. And I thought, if we did that, you can help us in return by just simply spreading the word about our services. We have services in all the categories I just mentioned to you. I'm sure that you, as a realtor, if you are a realtor, you could be anybody as far as real estate. You could be a real estate agent, you could be a broker, you could be a homeowner, you could be a property manager, you could be anybody who actually sells or rents our properties can work with us and network with us, because we're looking for people like you to help our clients who are looking for your services. And all we're asking, if we can do that for you guys, is just to spread the word about what we're doing as a company. Again, you guys could utilize our services as well. We have a ton of incentives in our back office for people that are looking to work with us. We actually have these links that you can promote our business to your clients. I'm sure you're in the business of real estate, you have a lot of clients that can utilize moving help, that can utilize junk removal help, any type of home improvement help. You guys yourself may have properties that you're invested in, or know people who have investment properties. You guys work with some of you realtors or real estate agents work with banks, foreclosed properties that you can utilize our services. We have everything from A to Z. It's nothing in your business as far as the labor part of it, as far as the construction of your business, that we cannot help you out with. So I thought it would be a great partnership. And if you guys, anybody who's interested in knowing more, because it's kind of impossible for me to try to get all this in one setting, you guys we gotta contact each other. We have to talk to each other, or I can send you some more materials about exactly what we're doing, and you guys can look over the information and see if you want to move forward with us. If you're interested in learning more, or getting some literature from us, or getting some information on how we can work together, please put your name, your address, and your phone number in the box below, and we will get back to you right away. We have a nice staff of people that work with us that will contact you. Either I or one of our staff members will contact you and tell you exactly what we're doing. I think you guys will be super excited on what we're doing, as far as we have a lot of incentives that you can use yourself or give to your clients that will make you look like a superstar. The stuff that we're doing is very exciting. So please leave your information below, and we will get back to you. Social media, phone, text message, and we'll connect. Okay guys, you guys have a great day. Thank you.